MST 410 Video Operation Guide. This video demonstrates how to replace the sensor, presented by our own engineer. It is recommended to turn off the device first before replacing the sensor, because our sensors are compatible with hot swapping. First, remove the screws on the detector housing. The entire process can be done without turning off the power. After removing the screws, take off the housing. Next, remove the motherboard screws. Enter the menu and find Seek Sensor. Take out the original sensor module. Pull out the 4 sensors one by one. Insert the MST and CO2 sensor onto the motherboard. Insert the MST PIDT-VOC sensor onto the motherboard. Since only 2 sensors are installed, the other 2 positions are empty. Therefore, we need 2 airtight gaskets to block the instrument's air inlets. Put the gasket into the air inlet with the black side facing up. Then snap the 2 metal rings into the air inlet to press the gasket tightly. A special angled pliers or tweezers is required to install the metal rings. Install the sensor module back into the detector. Screw all the screws back in. Enter the menu and select Seek Sensor. Start identifying the sensors. First sensor identified. Second sensor identified. Both sensors are registered successfully. At this time, the back cover can be installed back onto the instrument. There are battery pins under the back cover and the motherboard. Note that the battery pins should be aligned and inserted tightly. Finally, install the screws back onto the back cover.